You know, she was feeling happier and happier, largely because this group of friends, including Scott, had been so supportive. You know, she really felt like she belonged here and was safe here. And during that meeting amongst the members of the round table, just sort of inexplicably, Susan had looked.
Yeah, it's a roundabout. You don't. Oh, that's not how this works. Nice. Straight. Ah, you both go straight. Nice fucking job. Yes. He is actually going to Walmart. Wow, I'm shocked. Nice job, asshat. Through this, how do you not realize that that's not a straight lane? Cannot be this many people regularly. Oh, you're facing the wrong way because you're. How did you even? What? Going for here, buddy. Please no. It's not a straight lane. Right, I'm not on crack. The only straight lane is the middle. That's not how this works. Go! It's a roundabout! Please go! Oh my god. Or you're stupid.